Hello devs, Sid the IT guy here, and I quickly wanted to drop a video on how to deploy a Checkout UI extension from Shopify. So before we start this video, I quickly want to appreciate all of you who have reached out to me through email or LinkedIn or Instagram or whatever. I appreciate all the love, and if you have any video idea for me that I can cover on my channel, if you have any kind of doubt that you are stuck with, or in general, if you have any kind of suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. And while you are down there, consider hitting the subscribe button so it helps me with the YouTube algorithm and everything. And with that out of the way, let's begin. Okay, so what we will do at this point is we will open up the Shopify admin for the store that we are working with, and we will open the partners account, and we will go to the apps page, and we will open up the app that we are working with. So in my case, it is demo checkout UI. For you, it might be something else. Now let's go into the code and let's say that this is the change that we want to make. So we made the change here and we ran npm run dev. So then this will load up with the previous settings, and then I can hit P. So it will open up this thing. I can hit checkout UI extension, then it will enter the store password, hit enter. Go back to the terminal, hit P. And here we go. Here it shows it. So to deploy this, we will run npm run deploy. So then it will ask make the following change to extension in partners. We will hit enter. So yes, deploy changes. So then you get this URL, copy this, Control C, open this up in new tab. Yeah, then you can create a version of this. Then you can create a minor version. For you it may be blank, but then it will be the only entry created here. Mine shows August 1 because I was trying it out yesterday. So then you can hit publish. Now it is published. Now let's go to our store and let's see if it renders. Then we see that it is not rendering. And why is that? Because we need to go in our admin and add it as an app blog to the checkout page. So we will go to the online store themes. We will click customize. Then we will click checkout. Now in this checkout page, you can see the extension is not there. So we can click this add app block. You can click this and now it is here. So then hit back, move this around anywhere you want. Anywhere this blue stripe thingy is showing up, you can put it there. So then we can put it all the way back to down to this area right here. So we will keep it here and we will hit save. It is saved. Then if I go here and I hit refresh, and now it is showing up here. Even though my terminal is now killed, now nothing is running. Now this is published and it is live. Now we can use it. So this is all for the video for today. I wanted to make a quick video on this. If you have any doubts, if anything is you're stuck with, please let me know in the comments down below. And that's about it. Thank you.